Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove card from PrizePicks, right? So it's very easy. So you can see I'm in the official website of PrizePicks, and basically I can't show you because of course there's a privacy reason, but I have used the same method to remove my card. So this is how you can do it. Of course, here it says that how do I remove or replace payment method associated with my PrizePicks account, right? You may remove payment method until you have been PrizePicks member for at least 60 days, right? Of course. I mean, after 60 days, you can remove a payment method yourself by using the app. So you can just download it over it from the Play Store or App Store. If you're using Android, then just go for the Play Store, right? Just log in into your account. Of course, if you're using a PrizePicks and if you have added a payment method, then of course you would have a account, right? So once you log in into your account, you can just tap on the deposit button in the top right side corner. Once you are in the deposit page, you should see a trash can icon, right? Then just click on the icon to remove a payment method. If the trash can icon isn't there, that means you still need to wait for 16 days waiting period to end, right? So you don't need to panic. You just have to wait for your waiting period, that is around 60 days, and after that you can just easily remove a payment method once in a calendar month, right? And no more than 5 times across my 12-month plan. I mean, in a year you can just remove around 5 times, or you can just add a new account that is around 5 times, and in a month you can just only add or remove that is only one payment method, right? I mean your card. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful.